Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these reindeer candy cane holders, and I made them with an H hook and the ears with an F hook and the nose with an F hook, and the pattern is down below. These are great for the holidays, a cute way to place candy canes inside. Okay, so let's get started. Slip knot onto the hook and chain 2 to get started. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops until you have 6 single crochet all together. Slip stitch in the beginning single crochet to create your first round, and then work 2 single crochet in each stitch around, so that will be a total of 12 all together. So 2 single crochet increase, okay. You can use a slip stitch here and then single crochet, and if you like you can pull your yarn through and use it as a stitch marker. And I'm going to do 14 rounds of just a single crochet without any slip stitches, and so it will be worked in continual rounds, so each stitch gets a single crochet for a total of 14 rounds. It'll make a nice little narrow pouch, enough room for 2 candy canes. Okay, so now you're at the end here. You're going to slip stitch, and then you can fasten off and weave in your ends with your yarn needle. This is what it looks like a little pouch. You can make it wider if you want, just add increase round. Then you can add your little googly eyes with a glue gun, hot glue gun. Okay, with an F hook I'm going to slip knot onto my hook and chain 2. In the second chain from the hook I'm going to work 4 single crochet for the first round. And then slip stitch in that first single crochet, and then I'm going to work 2 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 8. Slip stitch, and then I'm going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch around, which is a total of 8, 2 times for 2 rounds. Now I'm going to do 2 single crochet together for a decrease. So grab the yarn and then go to the next stitch, and then go to the next stitch there, and then pull through all 3 loops. Decrease 2 together again, grab the yarn, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. You're going to do that for 4 times for 4 decreases. So then this will start closing up the nose. So this is the 3rd, and then going to go to the last one, and then you can fasten off and attach that to the candy cane reindeer holder. It's going to look like this. Okay, so now you can start weaving in your ends on your projects, parts of it. So I'm going to just weave it in and out in the inside for the little pouch part of it. Now I'm going to create an ear by slip knotting and slip stitching into the pouch part, and chain 5 with an F hook, slip stitch in the 2nd chain from the hook, single crochet in the next chain, half double crochet, yarn over into the next chain, and then in the next chain you're going to single crochet and then slip stitch into the next stitch, and then work on the opposite side of your ear. You're going to make 2 of these. Work on the opposite side of the ear, and you're going to single crochet, half double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next, and then slip stitch and fasten off, and you're going to make 2 of these. You're going to count over about 5 stitches and just repeat the ear the same exact way, slip stitch and then start your chain 5, and it's just going to be done the same exact way. Okay, you can weave in all your ends in the back for the ears. Now I'm going to attach the nose in the bottom center, just weaving in and out. Now you can add your candy canes, and you can add the squiggly eyes. The best way to do that is to hot glue gun them on, or you can make your own eyes as well. I think they look really cute with the squiggly eyes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can even add a piece of yarn on the very top and hang it from your tree with just a loop, or give these away as little gifts. They're really cute. I hope you enjoyed, and the pattern is down below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.